Madami nagfi-fail sa nutrition plan nila, sa goal nila to lose weight. Kasi iniisip nila, nagda-diet sila sa bahay. Pero paglabas nila, hindi sila nagda-diet. Or baliktad, sa labas nagda-diet sila, pag uwi, nakakalimutan nila nagda-diet sila. Huwag natin tawagin diet, tawagin natin lifestyle. Anuhin nyo lang, yung calories, calorie deficit nyo lang kahit 10 to 50 or most na yung 100 a day to lose weight. Konting workout, exercise, walking, konting galaw para magka-muscle, pumayat, good for the heart health. Siyempre, at least 10 to 15 minutes weight training, resistance training, yun, to gain muscle. Para mawala yung fat, makita yung muscle, yung loose skin, walang stretch marks yung fat na palitan ng muscle. Marami nagtatanong, Lods, papayat ako pero nagkaka-loose skin kasi hindi kayo nag-exercise with weights, lift weights, weightlifting, progressive overload resistance training. Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy guys.